Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 ranked match. Start by choosing a consistent role and two reliable heroes you enjoy. Focus on basic mechanics like last hitting, lane control, and map awareness to reduce mistakes. Prioritize objectives such as towers and Roshan over chasing kills. Keep communication concise and positive, and learn from each loss to steadily improve your solo queue performance and team impact. Open the early game by prioritizing last hits and denies while maintaining lane equilibrium. Place a safe ward and ask supports to contest deep vision when possible. Rotate only when objectives or kills present high probability and avoid pointless deaths that cost tower pressure. Manage consumables, track enemy spells, and set small goals each 10 minutes to objectively measure progress and keep your team aligned toward the mid-game. Hey friends, quick break. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like so more helpful content appears. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs humorously with grinding ranked games because both need patience and long-term planning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Transition to mid-game by grouping for objectives when key ultimates are available. Track enemy items like Blink and Black King Bar to plan initiation windows. Use split push pressure to force enemy rotations, then capitalize on numbers advantage to take towers. In late game, prioritize high ground defense and buyback awareness, and always maintain vision around major objectives to avoid being caught out in decisive fights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.